Hey Robbie, Brittany here with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I just wanted to say thank you for reaching out to my post on Facebook. I just wanted to make this quick little video for you. I don't want to take up too much of your time though. There's just a few things I wanted to go over with you, and at the end of it, if you could just possibly give some feedback, that would be greatly appreciated. So the things I want to go over today with you are content, backlinks, and citations. So content is going to be anything that's on your front page here. Any wording that you guys use, any photos that you use, how those photos are saved, and what's behind the photos are all part of your content. And you definitely have some good content on the front. Google does like to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on a homepage. And then within that content, what you want to do is be able to utilize keywords throughout that you want your website to be found for. Now, a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. In your content, you can place these keywords throughout, like I said, to tell Google exactly what you want to be found for. That way you can start to rank for different things on Google that people are searching for, which is something that will be a big help, definitely in the long run. So I went ahead and typed in your website into this analytics website that we have. And what this is, you're able to now see your trust and strength with Google, your backlinks, and your keywords. So if we go ahead and look at the strength and the trust here, the UR is the strength, the DR is the trust. This goes off of a scale of 100. And the idea is to definitely boost that up and be able to keep them as even as possible. Now, you are also indexing right now for 303 keywords, which is definitely gaining some good traffic there. You had about 246 organic traffic clicks coming to your website. And you're able to see what you're indexing for, and then it also shows you like how many people are searching for that, and then how many people you're getting through to your website because of it. Now, another thing is called backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere that you're going to find one website linking to another website. So these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Now, not all backlinks are the same. The links are not created equal. Some of these links are spammy and some are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the links that are more authoritative and that will bring power to your website. Now, I'll be able to show you in comparison to a different website that I found here in just a moment. Another thing I want to go over is what we call the map pack. So basically, once we get everything starting to work together, map packs are where you're going to want to be found. So depending on where you want to have service areas for your business, this is where we want to get you, because when people start looking for different things, this is where those names pop up. Now, another thing is citations. So what a citation is anywhere that your business name, phone number, and address show up. So things like what the Yellow Pages, Yelp, you want to be able to put your business information into those, so that way you're able to be found more. Now, also, when you have your Google Business Profile, there is an About Us section that has about 750 words, and you want to make sure that you're utilizing all 750 of those words. And then you also want to be able to then put keywords throughout that About Us section as well. So those will be able to pop up and help you rank even more. Now, I did pull up a different website, and I was able to then look at their website and also pull up their analytics as well. So you're able to see what they have on the front. They could definitely use a little bit more content on here, but they are indexing for a ton of keywords and a ton of backlinks. So the idea is to be able to then research their keywords and their backlinks as well. That way we're able to then help you get different keywords and help you get different backlinks. And you want to be able to then take that, utilize what they have, but also be able to add more than what they have. And that will definitely help bring a bunch of traffic and be able to get you more on map packs and stuff like that as well. So I do want to say thank you again for reaching out and letting me take the time to make you this quick video. If you have any other questions, I am going to place My phone number, my email, everything in the message I'm going to send to you. You also have my Facebook information. So whatever you feel best, texting, calling, email, please go ahead and do it. And I appreciate it. Thank you again for letting me take the time to make this video.